Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients and tools so the process flows. Use 2 Oz tequila, 1 Oz triple sec, 1 Oz fresh lime juice, and 1/2 Oz simple syrup for a balanced classic margarita. Have fresh limes, good quality Blanco tequila, and orange liqueur available. You will need a shaker, 16-ounce mixing glass, jigger, fine strainer, and a plate for salt or sugar rims. Also prepare ice, a citrus reamer, and a rocks or coupe glass chilled ahead, so serving is immediate and crisp when strained. To mix the classic margarita, first rim the glass with a lime wedge and kosher salt or superfine sugar, depending on preference. Fill the shaker with 4 to 6 large ice cubes and combine the measured ingredients before shaking hard 12 to 15 seconds. Double strain into a chilled glass over fresh ice and garnish with a lime wheel. Taste and adjust. Add 1/4 ounce of simple syrup for extra sweetness, or up to 3/4 Oz lime juice if brighter acidity is desired. Explore variations and practical tips. For frozen margaritas, blend 1 cup crushed ice with the standard recipe until smooth for 1 serving. Use reposado tequila for a richer flavor or mezcal for a smoky twist if you prefer bold profiles. Swap triple sec for Cointreau for a brighter orange note. Always use fresh lime juice and serve within 2 minutes of shaking for peak aroma and temperature. Reduce alcohol by half and replace with soda for a lighter cocktail, or omit spirits for a virgin margarita.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.